Alright, got my patch half-ass tacked in. Sucks trying to weld half upside down and stuff, but that's where I'm at. Still gotta get this a little bit closer, work this a little closer before I weld it up. But that's it. That's all I'm doing for tonight. Because I just ran out of wire in the welder, so need to re-spool that. Got a spool for that, but I'm not doing it tonight. Do that in the morning. So anyway, that's where I'm at. That's how it's looking. I will wrap it up, finish welding it, and then I will make another little video of it and go from there. Peace.